This video will guide you through the installation process of S63 NC charts. Open the menu. Go to Data and select the Import S57 tag. Firstly, we need to add our permit license file into System. Click on Apply S63 Cell Permit button. Browse your external media USB, SD card or other and locate the folder where you saved the permit file. Select from right column the permit.txt file. Click Apply Cell Permit. A confirmation message will appear. Click OK to continue. You can view your installed permits from Installed Cell Permits button. The new window will show you all permits including expiration date of each cell. You can delete a permit by selecting it and click Delete Permit. Make sure that Turn off Error Reports is selected. Next step is to name our database. Simply type the name into Database Name field. For updating, just select the existing name of your database. Your DVD should be placed into tray to start installation process. Important: loading S63 charts will take time to read the DVD, as also upon converting. Be patient and do not make actions into EDI's while charts installation. Click Install Media. Wait until the window appears for guided charts installation. Within the new window, System will show you the DVD week number, and below you will see the volumes to be installed, based on your permit file. You do not need to do anything else or select the area of installation. Click Install Media and System will start the process automatically. S63 charts will be installed and the verification message will appear. Import S63 data completed. Press OK to confirm message. Wait for the Install Media window to appear. You can verify that your charts are installed from Instructions window. You can view the already installed Exchange set. Close Install Media window. Your converted database is now available under Add. Remove Database tab. Select your database name, and click Add Database so you can load it in View. Now with your database loaded, you can create a chart status report, a new function implemented to latest version of EDI's software. Go to Data, Chart Status Report. Select the database from drop-down menu. You can also filter the report with your current route, so to build a report only with charts your route is using. Click Build Report. The pop-up message will confirm the report and it will ask you to print it on display. Report will be available with all catalog cells in view. Please note that only the ones with a valid permit will have the up-to-date status. All others in catalog will appear as not up to date. You are now able to present your licensed Updated charts. Reports are saved into your system and they can be exported, deleted or even represent them. On the top of the report, your ENC update reference date will appear. This is helpful so you can recognize the latest installed week of charts. Important: you must always update your database with latest available DVD, not more than 30 days old.